am Jovi, and I will demonstrate how to help a baby who is on choking and choking is severe CPR may be required. What is choking? Choking means something such as food or an object has gotten air from stuck in the airway, preventing air from getting to nerve. Choking means that the baby cannot and make sounds. So example is, this is my example. So this is a baby. So first is first is wait first, first is here. This is this is a baby. Push push and hide fast count loud and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And after compression, you need to check infant mouth to see if the object has come. If you don't see it, take it out. So you may push object down. Try it. Open the mouth and object. Not use your finger in the mouth. And nothing is there, you are going to attempt to give 20 breath. And air is not going, we need to complete the 30 and breathe again. Let's try and it's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open the mouth and I don't see anything. Attempt to breathe. Air did not go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fourth cycle. At the mouth and air. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Open the mouth and continue giving compression, shaking the mouth, and attempt to breathe until the object comes out. The baby wakes up, cries, and out cold until emergency personnel arrive to assist you. This complete how to help infant and the choking. On behalf of all us, Nicholas Children's Health System. We hope I found this construction video helpful. Thanks and learn with us.